and Machali, a bond so popular and at the same time so delicious. I had to explore this place this time in Mangalore, which is my native town. And as usual, I found a lot of people standing in queues outside during the rush lunch hour. This is a very busy place because it's very popular and serves delicious meals like the bhangra fry, surmai, pomfret, ghee roast, prawns ghee roast, and so much more. But before that, you have to queue up and give your name to the man standing at the entrance, and then he'll let you know how much time there is left until a table clears up. It's usually between 10 to 15 minutes to it can go up to 1 hour also, especially if you're coming here on the weekends or during the peak season, which is the winter season. I had to wait for around 30 minutes until I got a seat, and then that was also in sharing. That is, on one side we were sitting and there was other people sitting on the other side of the same table. Okay, but that is something you gotta manage, and that's okay. And then we ordered two fish meals and two fish thali basically, and along with that some fish fry and some ghee roast, prawn ghee roast of course, and some taza, which is a popular lemon soda kind of a thing, the Mangalore version of it, and the delicious buttermilk which comes with it. Let's dive in. So, if you're wondering how I like this, I have to tell you I loved it. Being a Mangalorean myself, I have to tell you this is one of the best Mangalorean food that you can have in Mangalore, in India, and I think elsewhere too. I'm not making a claim, I'm just telling you that's what I feel like. Okay, and this was delicious, authentic, natural, good, homely flavors, and hygiene wise also I liked this place. I found it to be quite hygienic from where I could see it. Of course I don't know what happens behind the scenes, as in the kitchen and all those places, so I cannot be very sure of it. But what came in front of me, as in on the plate and the table and everything, that was quite good. Okay, and I came here for the second time also after this, and because I didn't try crab, I tried the crab gyros the next time. So if I went here for the second time during the same trip, that means it's a very good place for me, at least, and that's what the reviews say too. So if you're coming to Mangalore, then do try Machali, and let me know in the comment section below if you have tried it and what was your favorite dish. And if you're going there, then all the best. I'm so excited to hear your comments.
actually.